Hey guys, Scott Hodge here with Homeport Residential. We are a veteran-founded, family-focused real estate brokerage here in sunny San Diego. We're going to continue our discussion about new home communities in San Diego with home prices starting under $500,000. Today, we're going to discuss the Park Place Residence 1, located in the Village of Montecito neighborhood in Chula Vista. The Park Place Residence 1 is a two-story home with 2 bedrooms and 2 baths and is approximately 1,116 square feet. It comes with a 2-car garage. The Residence 1 list price starts at $398,000. The HOA fees for this community start at $286 per month, and the Melrose special tax assessment for the community starts at approximately $285 per month. The Park Place community amenities include 3 swimming pools, recreation center, parks, and trails, and it's within walking distance of the Otay Ranch Town Center with lots of great shopping and also A-ranked schools close by. And the community is approximately 15 miles away from Naval Base San Diego, 32nd Street. If you would like more information on this great community, give us a call at 858-255-1943. We can schedule your own personal tour as well as your own virtual tour with FaceTime, Zoom, or Skype for our buyers who are located out of the area. Best of all, if you work with Homeport Residential to buy your new home, our Buyers Rewards program means at least $2,000 cashback incentives towards your closing costs. That's in addition to any incentives the builders might provide. If you want to stay up to date with new home communities throughout San Diego for under $500,000, hit the like or subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks and have a great day.